Welcome to my channel. This is your car doctor, Jess Garcia. We're doing a front brake pads for Suzuki Swift 2014 model. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel, follow and share. This is the new front brake pads, and we will change the brake pad for this car. Let's do it. And then you have to push this back, the piston. If you don't have special tools, this one is enough. Just press slowly. And make sure the pad is the right one. So it's same. Remember, this warning sign indicator, this pad will go inside. See the thickness? So this one is go inside. Make sure the slide, it's not stuck up or seized. See the slide? Don't tie too much this one, or else you will snap the bolt. And that's it. And put it back. And make sure before you drive this car, make sure you pump the brake pedal so that the piston will go back, will push out. Don't forget to 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 press the brake before you drive, so that the piston will push back out. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share. This is your car doctor, Jess Garcia. And thank you for watching.